Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to play 1 versus 1 with your friend in CS2 application. First I will open up new window in browser and type in here admin VPN. After that open up this website and tap on free download. Your friends should to do same thing. After that open download folder and install Redmin VPN and just tap on run. So as you can see, Redmin VPN is successfully installed on my PC. And right here you can see create network and join network. So let me tap on create network and type in here whatever you want and copy that and paste in password. Tap on create. So copy that and send to your friends. So now your friend open Redmi VPN and tap on join network. Just paste here this name and same password. Tap on join and as you can see I completely join into this server. Then open CS2 and join on the map that you want to play. And after that your friend open console and type in here connect and paste here your IP address. Tap on enter and now you can see that you join into the game. And that's it. As you can see I already on the map and I can choose control terrorist. That's it, I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and I also can watch this new video or this playlist about CS2.